Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm giving you a closer look at the Motion Pro adjustable torque wrench adapter. So this is made to help you access the hard to reach fasteners that you want to get a torque wrench on. For example, we are in the middle of a 2-stroke top end rebuild. The nuts on this cylinder are 13 millimeters. So we need another option to get these torqued, and this is it. It's really simple to use. All it does is clamp onto your wrench. It works for the size range 6 millimeters all the way to 19. And then on the back side, you can see it's got that square so it fits your 3/8 ratchet or your torque wrench. All you need to do is make sure the torque wrench is 90 degrees to your wrench, and that way you don't have to do any calculations for getting the correct torque. You would use the normal spec. But if you want to go in line with your wrench, it does give you a formula to figure out the correct torque for whatever you're going to be doing. Now, if you do plan on leaving your torque wrench and adapter in a straight line, right here we have the extension formula. So the corrected torque reading is going to be the torque required times the wrench length, and then you're going to divide that by the wrench length plus the extension length. It's also going to work with 6 and 8 millimeter hex wrenches. So that's a nice feature as well. But if you have any hard to reach areas where you need to torque a fastener, this is what you need. They are available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. If you have any questions about these, leave those down in the comments and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.